Cleaning of raised floors in computer rooms requires specific methods to prevent damage to electrical wiring and equipment. Several industry guidelines address this issue. Firstly, the Bixby Telecommunications Distribution Methods Manual, specifically Section 8.86, addresses raised floor plenum sealing. It states that cleaning should be performed only with methods and materials approved by the manufacturer. Damp mopping with approved cleaning agents is generally acceptable, but flooding the floor with cleaning solution is prohibited. Secondly, an FPA 75 standard for protection of information technology equipment in Chapter 12, Physical Security and Operations, Section 12.7 2.1 also addresses raised floors. It emphasizes that raised floors shall be cleaned using methods and materials approved by the manufacturer. Excessive use of water or cleaning agents that can damage underfloor equipment or wiring should be avoided. Thirdly, the Institute of Cleaning and Restoration Certification, ICC, Zone 100 standard for professional carpet cleaning, which applies to non-carpet floor surfaces as well, states in Section 5.32 regarding raised access flooring that cleaning requires a specialized cleaning method and flooding the floor with cleaning solution is not permitted. To summarize best practices for cleaning raised computer floors, the following points should be considered. 1. Always use only cleaning agents and methods approved by the raised floor manufacturer. 2. Damp mop or spot clean the tiles with a wrung-out mop. 3. Avoid excessive moisture or flooding the floor. 4. Use a microfiber or looped mop to minimize the release of lint or fibers. 5. Change the mop water frequently to prevent spreading dirt and contamination. 6. Allow the floor to dry thoroughly before using or plugging in any equipment. 7. Instruct the cleaning crew on the proper cleaning procedures and document the training. In addition to these best practices, consider the following. Firstly, use electrostatic dissipative ESD cleaning materials to prevent static discharge. Secondly, avoid using harsh chemicals or abrasive detergents that can damage the floor tiles or wiring. Thirdly, regularly inspect the raised floor and underfloor wiring for signs of moisture or damage. Fourthly, establish a regular maintenance schedule for cleaning raised floors to prevent buildup of dirt and debris. By adhering to these industry guidelines and best practices, damage to sensitive equipment can be avoided, ensuring a safer and more reliable operating environment for computer rooms. Damage from cleaning products can take a variety of forms, impacting both the immediate functionality and the long-term reliability of electrical systems under the raised floor. Understanding these risks can help in implementing better cleaning protocols. Firstly, corrosion is a significant concern. Many cleaning solutions contain chemicals that can corrode metal components such as connectors, wiring, and grounding systems. Corrosion increases resistance, which leads to voltage drops, overheating, and eventually equipment failure. This is especially problematic in sensitive electronic equipment where even small changes in voltage can disrupt operation. Secondly, insulation breakdown is another critical issue. The insulation on wires and cables is designed to protect against short circuits and electrical leakage. Certain cleaning agents can degrade this insulation over time, leading to cracking, softening, or dissolving of the insulating material. This increases the risk of short circuits, ground faults, and electrical fires. Thirdly, contamination is a persistent problem. Residue from cleaning solutions can leave behind conductive contaminants on surfaces. These contaminants can create unintended electrical paths, leading to erratic system behavior or complete failure. Contamination is particularly problematic in high-density electronic environments where components are closely spaced. Fourthly, physical damage is always a risk. Improper cleaning techniques, such as using abrasive pads or excessive force, can physically damage connectors, cables, and other components. This damage can range from minor scratches to broken connections, all of which can compromise system integrity. Fifthly, electrostatic discharge, ESD, is a hidden threat. Some cleaning solutions can generate static electricity, which can discharge through sensitive electronic components. ESD can cause latent damage that is not immediately apparent, but can lead to premature failure of electronic devices. Sixthly, impedance changes can occur. The presence of moisture and cleaning residue can alter the impedance characteristics of cables and connectors. This can affect signal integrity, leading to data errors, communication failures, and reduced system performance. Seventhly, connector degradation is a common issue. Connectors are designed to provide reliable electrical connections. However, exposure to harsh cleaning agents can corrode the connector contacts, leading to increased resistance, intermittent connections, and signal loss. Eighthly, grounding issues may arise. Proper grounding is essential for electrical safety and electromagnetic compatibility. Cleaning solutions that interfere with grounding connections can compromise these aspects, increasing the risk of electrical shock and electromagnetic interference. Ninthly, thermal management problems may develop. Dust and debris can accumulate on heat sinks and fans, reducing their ability to dissipate heat. Cleaning solutions that leave behind residue can exacerbate this problem, leading to overheating and reduced component lifespan. Tenthly, chemical reactions may occur. Some cleaning agents can react with the materials used in electronic equipment, leading to unexpected chemical reactions. These reactions can produce corrosive byproducts that further damage components. 11thly, cable management issues may surface. Improper cleaning practices can disrupt cable management systems, leading to tangled cables and increased risk of damage. This can make it difficult to troubleshoot and maintain the system. 12thly, labeling issues may emerge. Cleaning solutions can fade or remove labels on cables and equipment, making it difficult to identify and trace connections. This can complicate maintenance and repair efforts. To mitigate these risks, it is essential to use cleaning solutions specifically designed for use in electronic environments. These solutions are typically non-corrosive, non-conductive, and designed to leave minimal residue. Additionally, it is important to follow the manufacturer's recommendations for cleaning procedures and to train cleaning staff on the proper techniques. Regular inspections of the underfloor area can help identify and address any potential problems before they lead to equipment failure. When selecting cleaning products and methods for raised floors and computer rooms, several critical factors must be taken into account to ensure the safety and longevity of the equipment and infrastructure. Firstly, material compatibility is paramount. The cleaning agents must be compatible with the materials used in the raised floor tiles, wiring, and other underfloor components. Incompatible cleaners can cause corrosion, degradation, and other forms of damage that can compromise the integrity of the system. Secondly, electrostatic discharge control is crucial. Electronic components are highly susceptible to damage from ESD. Therefore, cleaning products should be formulated to minimize the generation of static electricity. ESD-safe cleaning solutions are designed to dissipate static charges and prevent them from damaging sensitive equipment. Thirdly, residue management is important. Cleaning solutions should leave minimal residue after use. Residue can attract dust and other contaminants, which can lead to electrical problems and overheating. Non-residue cleaning products are designed to evaporate completely, leaving surfaces clean and free of contaminants. Fourthly, moisture control is necessary. Excessive moisture can damage electronic equipment and wiring. Cleaning methods should be chosen to minimize the amount of moisture used. Damp mopping with a wrung-out mop is generally preferred over flooding the floor with cleaning solution. Fifthly, ventilation is required. Proper ventilation is essential to ensure that cleaning solutions evaporate quickly and to prevent the buildup of harmful vapors. The computer room should be well ventilated during and after cleaning. Sixthly, training is necessary. Cleaning staff should be properly trained on the correct cleaning procedures and the potential hazards associated with improper cleaning. Training should include information on the types of cleaning products to use, the proper techniques for applying them, and the steps to take in case of spills or other accidents. Seventhly, manufacturer guidelines are helpful. Always follow the manufacturer's guidelines for cleaning the raised floor and other components. The manufacturer may have specific recommendations for cleaning products and methods. Eighthly, safety precautions are critical. Always follow safety precautions when using cleaning products. Wear appropriate personal protective equipment, such as gloves and eye protection, and avoid breathing in cleaning vapors. Ninthly, inspection is vital. Regularly inspect the raised floor and underfloor area for signs of damage or contamination. Early detection of problems can prevent them from escalating into more serious issues. Tenthly, documentation is useful. Keep a record of all cleaning activities, including the date, time, cleaning products used, and any observations or problems encountered. This documentation can be helpful for tracking cleaning performance and identifying potential issues. 11thly, grounding is essential. Ensure that all equipment and wiring are properly grounded to prevent electrical shock and electromagnetic interference. Cleaning solutions should not interfere with grounding connections. 12thly, environmental considerations are valuable. Choose cleaning products that are environmentally friendly and comply with all applicable regulations. Avoid using harsh chemicals that can harm the environment or pose a health risk to cleaning staff or other occupants. By carefully considering these factors, you can select cleaning products and methods that will effectively clean the raised floor in your computer room without damaging equipment or compromising safety. Implementing a comprehensive cleaning program for raised floors in computer rooms involves several key steps to ensure effectiveness, safety, and minimal disruption to operations. Firstly, assessment of needs is essential. Conduct a thorough assessment of the computer room to determine the specific cleaning needs. This includes identifying the types of contaminants present, the materials used in the raised floor and underfloor components, and any sensitive equipment that may be affected by cleaning activities. Secondly, development of a cleaning plan is important. Based on the assessment, develop a detailed cleaning plan that outlines the cleaning procedures, cleaning products to be used, frequency of cleaning, and safety precautions to be taken. The plan should be tailored to the specific needs of the computer room and should comply with all applicable industry standards and regulations. Thirdly, selection of cleaning products is crucial. Choose cleaning products that are specifically designed for use in electronic environments and that are compatible with the materials used in the raised floor and underfloor components. Avoid using harsh chemicals or abrasive cleaners that can damage equipment or wiring. Fourthly, training of cleaning personnel is necessary. Provide comprehensive training to cleaning personnel on the correct cleaning procedures, the potential hazards associated with improper cleaning, and the steps to take in case of spills or other accidents. Training should include hands-on demonstrations and should be regularly updated to reflect changes in cleaning products or procedures. Fifthly, preparation of the computer room is essential. Before starting cleaning activities, prepare the computer room by removing any loose items, covering sensitive equipment, and ensuring that the area is properly ventilated. Disconnect power to any equipment that may be affected by cleaning activities. Sixthly, cleaning of the raised floor is important. Clean the raised floor using the approved cleaning procedures and cleaning products. Damp mopping with a wrung-out mop is generally preferred over flooding the floor with cleaning solution. Pay close attention to edges, corners, and other areas where dirt and debris tend to accumulate. Seventhly, cleaning of the underfloor area is required. Clean the underfloor area to remove dust, debris, and other contaminants. Use a vacuum cleaner with a HEPA filter to prevent the spread of dust and allergens. Be careful not to damage any wiring or equipment. Eighthly, inspection of the cleaned area is necessary. After cleaning, inspect the area to ensure that it is clean and free of contaminants. Look for any signs of damage or problems such as frayed wires, loose connections, or corrosion. Ninthly, testing of equipment is important. After cleaning, test all equipment to ensure that it is functioning properly. Look for any signs of malfunction or performance issues. Tenthly, documentation of cleaning activities is required. Keep a record of all cleaning activities, including the date, time, cleaning products used, and any observations or problems encountered. This documentation can be helpful for tracking cleaning performance and identifying potential issues. 11thly, regular review of the cleaning plan is important. Regularly review the cleaning plan to ensure that it is still effective and appropriate for the needs of the computer room. Update the plan as needed to reflect changes in equipment, cleaning products, or industry standards. 12thly, communication with IT personnel is useful. Communicate with IT personnel to ensure that cleaning activities are coordinated with system maintenance and other activities. This can help minimize disruption to operations and prevent conflicts. By following these steps, you can implement a comprehensive cleaning program that will effectively clean the raised floor in your computer room, protect sensitive equipment, and ensure a safe and reliable operating environment. The selection and use of appropriate cleaning agents are critical in maintaining the integrity and safety of raised floors and computer rooms. Here are key considerations for choosing and using cleaning agents. Firstly, understand the material composition of the raised floor and underfloor components. Identify the types of materials used in the construction of the raised floor tiles, wiring, and other components. This information is essential for selecting cleaning agents that are compatible with these materials. Secondly, choose pH-neutral cleaners. Opt for cleaning agents that have a neutral pH. Highly acidic or alkaline cleaners can corrode or damage sensitive electronic components and wiring. Thirdly, select non-conductive cleaners. Ensure that the cleaning agents are non-conductive to prevent short circuits and electrical hazards. Check the product specifications to verify that the cleaner is safe for use around electronics. Fourthly, consider electrostatic discharge as safe cleaners. Use cleaning agents that are specifically formulated to minimize the generation of static electricity. These cleaners help prevent ESD damage to sensitive electronic components. Fifthly, opt for low VOC, volatile organic compound cleaners. Choose cleaning agents that have low VOC content to minimize air pollution and potential health hazards. VOC can evaporate and contribute to indoor air quality problems. Sixthly, look for residue-free cleaners. Select cleaning agents that leave minimal residue after use. Residue can attract dust and other contaminants, which can lead to electrical problems and overheating. Seventhly, prioritize non-abrasive cleaners. Use cleaning agents that are non-abrasive to avoid scratching or damaging the surface of the raised floor tiles. Abrasive cleaners can also remove protective coatings and finishes. Eighthly, avoid harsh chemicals. Avoid using cleaning agents that contain harsh chemicals such as bleach, ammonia, or solvents. These chemicals can damage electronic components and wiring, and they can also pose a health risk to cleaning personnel. Ninthly, review manufacturer recommendations. Always follow the manufacturer's recommendations for cleaning the raised floor and underfloor components. The manufacturer may have specific recommendations for cleaning agents and methods. Tenthly, test in an inconspicuous area. Before using a cleaning agent on a large area, test it in an inconspicuous area to ensure that it does not cause any damage or discoloration. 11thly, dilute cleaners properly. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for diluting the cleaning agent. Using too much cleaner can leave behind residue and can also damage the surface of the raised floor tiles. 12thly, apply cleaners with care. Apply cleaning agents with a damp mop or cloth, being careful not to saturate the surface. Avoid flooding the floor with cleaning solution, as this can damage underfloor components. By following these guidelines, you can select and use appropriate cleaning agents that will effectively clean the raised floor in your computer room without damaging equipment or compromising safety. To effectively manage moisture and prevent water damage during the cleaning of raised floors, it is essential to implement specific practices. Firstly, employ damp mopping techniques. Use damp mopping techniques rather than wet mopping. A wrung-out mop should be used to minimize the amount of moisture applied to the floor. Avoid flooding the floor with cleaning solution. Secondly, use microfiber mops. Microfiber mops are highly effective at picking up dirt and debris while using minimal water. They also release less lint than traditional mops, which can help keep the computer room clean. Thirdly, control the amount of cleaning solution. Mix cleaning solutions according to the manufacturer's instructions and use only the recommended amount. Avoid using excessive amounts of cleaning solution, as this can increase the risk of water damage. Fourthly, change mop water frequently. Change mop water frequently to prevent spreading dirt and contaminants. Use clean water for each mopping session to ensure that the floor is thoroughly cleaned. Fifthly, use a wet vacuum for spills. Keep a wet vacuum on hand to quickly clean up any spills. Wet vacuums are designed to remove water and other liquids from surfaces, helping to prevent water damage. Sixthly, employ air movers to dry floors. Use air movers to dry the floor quickly after cleaning. Air movers circulate air and help to evaporate moisture, reducing the risk of water damage. Seventhly, seal around floor penetrations. Seal around all floor penetrations, such as cable openings and equipment supports, to prevent water from seeping into the underfloor area. Use a waterproof sealant that is compatible with the materials used in a raised floor. Eighthly, inspect for leaks regularly. Regularly inspect the raised floor and underfloor area for leaks. Check for signs of water damage, such as stains, mold, or corrosion. Ninthly, monitor humidity levels. Monitor humidity levels in the computer room. High humidity can contribute to moisture problems and can also damage electronic equipment. Maintain humidity levels within the recommended range. Tenthly, implement a leak detection system. Consider implementing a leak detection system to alert you to any water leaks in the computer room. Leak detection systems can help you quickly identify and address leaks before they cause significant damage. 11thly, train cleaning personnel on water damage prevention. Train cleaning personnel on the importance of moisture control and the proper techniques for preventing water damage. Emphasize the need to use damp mopping techniques to avoid flooding the floor and to clean up spills quickly. 12thly, document cleaning procedures. Document cleaning procedures and keep a record of all cleaning activities. This documentation can be helpful for tracking cleaning performance and identifying potential issues. By following these practices, you can effectively manage moisture and prevent water damage during the cleaning of raised floors, ensuring the safety and reliability of computer room equipment. Regular inspections are essential for maintaining the integrity and safety of raised floors in computer rooms. Here are key aspects to include in a comprehensive inspection program. Firstly, schedule routine inspections. Establish a schedule for routine inspections of the raised floor and underfloor area. The frequency of inspection should be based on the age and condition of the floor, the level of activity in the computer room, and any known risk factors. Secondly, inspect for water damage. Check for signs of water damage, such as stains, mold, or corrosion. Pay close attention to areas around pipes, drains, and other potential sources of leaks. Thirdly, inspect for dust and debris. Look for accumulations of dust and debris on the surface of the raised floor and in the underfloor area. Dust and debris can interfere with airflow, reduce cooling efficiency, and contribute to electrical problems. Fourthly, inspect for loose tiles. Check for loose or damaged tiles. Loose tiles can create tripping hazards and can also allow dust and debris to enter the underfloor area. Fifthly, inspect for cable damage. Inspect cables for signs of damage, such as frayed insulation, exposed wires, or loose connections. Damaged cables can create electrical hazards and can also disrupt network connectivity. Sixthly, inspect for proper grounding. Verify that all equipment and wiring are properly grounded. Poor grounding can increase the risk of electrical shock and electromagnetic interference. Seventhly, inspect for proper airflow. Ensure that airflow is not obstructed by equipment, cables, or other objects. Proper airflow is essential for maintaining optimal cooling efficiency. Eighthly, inspect for pests. Look for signs of pests, such as rodents, insects, or droppings. Pests can damage wiring and equipment, and they can also spread disease. Ninthly, inspect for compliance with safety regulations. Verify that the computer room is in compliance with all applicable safety regulations. This includes ensuring that fire extinguishers are readily accessible, that emergency exits are clearly marked, and that electrical wiring is properly installed and maintained. Tenthly, document inspection findings. Document all inspection findings, including any problems or deficiencies that are identified. Keep a record of all repairs and corrective actions that are taken. 11thly, train inspection personnel. Train inspection personnel on the proper procedures for inspecting the raised floor and underfloor area. Training should include information on the types of problems to look for and the steps to take in case of emergencies. 12th, review inspection reports. Regularly review inspection reports to identify trends and patterns. This can help you proactively address potential problems and prevent them from escalating into more serious issues. By incorporating these elements into a comprehensive inspection program, you can effectively maintain the integrity and safety of raised floors, ensuring a reliable operating environment. Training cleaning personnel is a vital step to ensure that raised floors are cleaned effectively and safely. Firstly, provide basic awareness of computer room environment. Explain the sensitivity of the computer room environment and the importance of preventing damage to equipment. Emphasize the need to follow specific cleaning procedures to avoid disrupting operations or creating hazards. Secondly, detail specific cleaning procedures. Provide detailed instructions on the proper cleaning procedures for raised floors, including the types of cleaning agents to use, the proper techniques for applying them, and the steps to take in case of spills or other accidents. Demonstrate the correct way to damp mop the floor, avoiding excessive moisture. Thirdly, emphasize the importance of moisture control. Stress the importance of moisture control and the potential dangers of water damage. Explain how excessive moisture can damage electronic equipment and wiring, and how to prevent water from seeping into the underfloor area. Fourthly, provide guidance on selecting and using cleaning products. Teach cleaning personnel how to select and use cleaning products that are specifically designed for use in electronic environments. Explain the importance of using pH-neutral, non-conductive, and residue-free cleaners. Fifthly, explain proper equipment handling. Show cleaning personnel how to properly handle cleaning equipment, such as mops, vacuums, and air movers. Explain how to use the equipment safely and effectively, and how to maintain it in good working condition. Sixthly, provide guidance on safety precautions. Provide detailed instructions on safety precautions such as wearing appropriate personal protective equipment, avoiding breathing in cleaning vapors, and handling electrical equipment safely. Seventhly, teach spill response procedures. Teach cleaning personnel how to respond to spills and other accidents. Explain how to contain spills, clean up the affected area, and dispose of waste materials properly. Eighthly, emphasize the importance of regular inspections. Explain the importance of regular inspections of the raised floor and underfloor area. Teach cleaning personnel how to identify potential problems such as water damage, dust accumulation, or cable damage. Ninthly, provide documentation and record-keeping guidance. Explain the importance of documenting cleaning activities and keeping accurate records. Provide cleaning personnel with the necessary forms and procedures for documenting their work. 10thly, conduct hands-on training. Conduct hands-on training sessions to allow cleaning personnel to practice the cleaning procedures and use the equipment under supervision. Provide feedback and answer any questions they may have. 11thly, provide ongoing training and updates. Provide ongoing training and updates to cleaning personnel to keep them informed of any changes in cleaning procedures, cleaning products, or safety regulations. 12thly, encourage feedback and communication. Encourage cleaning personnel to provide feedback and ask questions about the cleaning procedures. Create a culture of open communication to ensure that any problems or concerns are addressed promptly. By providing thorough and ongoing training, you can ensure that cleaning personnel are equipped with the knowledge and skills they need to clean raised floors effectively and safely, protecting sensitive equipment and maintaining a reliable operating environment.